This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: audience skill level, cohort size, and timeline so you know scope. Next, reserve your venue or virtual platform and lock in a 1:16 instructor-to-student ratio to keep quality. While doing that, order hardware, secure software licenses, and finalize the curriculum outline. This prevents last-minute gaps. Once done, post initial enrollment details and hire adjunct instructors as needed so you can move straight into detailed scheduling and student intake. Now you build the learning path. Split the curriculum into modules, sprints, and clear assessment points so progress is measurable. Simultaneously configure your LMS and CI environment, provision repos, and add automated grading hooks to save instructor time. Make instructor and mentor schedules, organize mock interviews, and finalize project rubrics so expectations are transparent. Once these are in place, run a dry run with staff and a pilot student group to surface timing issues and content gaps before full launch. You finish by opening enrollment and onboarding students with a clear orientation and an access checklist so nobody misses tools. Run a kickoff session, verify everyone can access repos, the LMS and CI pipelines, and communicate support channels and office hours. Then monitor early metrics like attendance, assignment pass rates, and initial feedback to catch problems fast. If things go wrong, prioritize a quick rollback to the last stable content snapshot and run a focused hotfix sprint to restore learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.